Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Benidorm Scooter Sue. It's a very windy day today. We'll just move over so that people can get by us. Very windy, breezy day today here in Benidorm. It's quite nippy as well. So we're just going to go for a ride along this back road to see what we can see today. So come with me. But first, make sure that you've hit the subscribe, guys. Hit the like. Share to your friends. And also hit that notification bell so they get you notified when I put up more new content. More apartments. These are some of the apartments that we can see from our back windows of our apartments. We tend to call it the Bronx, but I don't think it's really that bad. These ones aren't too bad here. I think it's more these ones in front. One's just there at the work. Some nice little, I don't know, houses, bungalows here. Never really noticed them before. But yeah, I do think they are possibly the worst ones there. And hit these in front. And then they do have a nice pool area. In fact, I believe they do have an indoor pool as well. See, they've got the road closed off again down there. I don't know what they're doing. They always seem to have the roads closed off. Some administrative offices there. It's worth knowing now there. It's washing everywhere. Fancy there. What the temperature is. I don't know whether that's coming out on the camera. Is it going to have the temperature? I say around 12. I don't know if it's going to put the temperature up. I'm sitting here and freeze to death for a couple of seconds. Let's see, is it going to put today's temperature up? Yeah, we know it's 2:10, 13 degrees. There you go, guys, I wasn't far off. There's only one house. So we've got chemist there as well. Have Avenida Portugal, going across left to right here. And then we have the Consume supermarket here. These apartments are the main one that we can see from our back. Do have quite a good sized swimming pool and a bar. This apartment even has tennis courts hidden there behind the trees. Probably be nice areas if they were cleaned up a bit. I don't know where the steps go. Maybe you can go down under the road. Possibly. Interesting. Avenida Inglaterra. There. And then this rather cute little bar here. Again, I always say that we're going to go in there, but I haven't actually got in there yet. So, thank you very much for watching the video, guys. Hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.